Namaste. Greetings to all of you. Wishing you a fantastic day ahead. We'll go to the Sutra of the day today. When, when the Ajna chakra is strong, an individual can be under tremendous stress and still smile. These are contradicting statements, right? When people are under stress, normally you have seen them get angry and irritable, right? But the teacher says when the person's Ajna chakra is substantially activated or functionally activated, under tremendous stress, the person can still smile. Meaning, the person is using the thinking apparatus. The person becomes realizing, the person has a tendency to realize the true nature here. Because Ajna, when it is activated, it attracts the energy of divine intelligence from the higher soul. Now, when you're in a state of activated Ajna, which means your system is peaceful at the same time centered as a soul. So what happens because of this? You have an option to think quietly about what are the ways you can handle it. You know this is a difficult scenario. You're not going to justify why you're in trouble, who's going to bother you. This worry, distress, and anxiety will not be there because you're not allowing your astral body or emotional body to go off place. Dashna, which is the center of abstract mind, which is it's almost like you're protected by the hand of the soul. And since the soul is in charge, the Ajna chakra, which is the master chakra, is involved. The soul is the master, right? The master chakra is involved. Your ability to regulate the other chakras who can go crazy because of emotions is minimal, which means you know for sure you're not in control. You know for sure things are not in favor of you, but it's not the end of the world. You can smile at your own mistakes. You can even smile at people who bother you. In other words, you have options to buy time. You have options to tell the people that I'm not anxious right now. I'm not going to fight you. We can think about solutions. You're giving a posture, a gesture that makes the person feel like, wow, the person is still smiling with all this problem. Maybe we can work a deal with this person. Think about it. This is so important when you handle children. In other words, your tendency to harm and get irritable, afraid will be minimal when you're smiling, especially when your Ajna chakra is activated. So try to study about the functions of Ajna chakra, how it can be regulated by the soul, and how it can be effectively used in life situations which are difficult. Namaste. Good luck to all of you. Practice the sutra and give us feedback.